a very warm welcome to the Gama Innovation Conference and Awards 2023. The Gama Innovation Awards celebrate outstanding innovations from across the world, identified by Gama from many thousands of new product launches over the past year. So we're very grateful to our expert judges from some of the world's leading names in fast-moving consumer goods who have acted as our judging panel.
Here are the finalists in the Best of Middle East category of the Gama Innovation Awards 2023. Barakat chocolate dessert hummus snack, CocoSoul dairy-free iced coffee, Barakat acai and peanut butter smoothie, Aymen plus bottled water, Nature's Own Factory buckwheat white chocolate dates, Kabeer stuffed falafel, Fry meat substitute, and LuLu instant multigrain cereal with ginger. And the winner of the Gama Innovation Award Best of Middle East 2023 is Barakat chocolate dessert hummus snack.
I'm deeply honored to accept the Gama Innovation Award for our chocolate hummus. This award is a testament to the power of innovation that thrives in our region, where tradition and creativity meets. Thank you for this incredible recognition. With our chocolate hummus, we've shown that the Middle Eastern innovation knows no bounds. It's a sweet reminder of the endless possibilities that arise when we think differently. Thank you for being part of this journey, and let's continue to define what's possible in our credible Middle East. Thank you, everyone.